pictures in a moment to indicate that trend. 50-mile-an-hour sustained winds. Nearly stationary as of 4 p.m., but again, it appears there's been some east movement on this system. And the lowest pressure down to 1003 millibars, or 29.62 inches of mercury. All right, let's take a look at our satellite view, the visible satellite view. We won't see too many more of these pictures before the sun angle gets too low, so we'll show you what we've collected today. Big spiraling band of cloud cover associated with the tropical storm, and you notice the change in the circulation here on the east semicircle, roughly the eastern half of this storm. That's where most of the action is, be it winds or heavy rain and storms. Westward we go, and then we run into a relative calm weather zone, although there have been some lines of cumulonimbus or thunderstorm clouds forming periodically today on the western side of the storm. Here's your radar view over Florida. We had some breakaway storms going up through the central and northeastern corner of the peninsula. Some of these have been locally severe with very gusty winds. And then as you come closer to Panama City, you can get a very good perspective of what's been happening, especially when we close in on the radar for you. Now, Tyndall Air Force Base, southeast of town, has been holding the east wind just about all day. And then just recently, the wind shifted into the west at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Still, down here Cape San Blas, we have southwest winds. So the west wind up at Tyndall, southwest wind down at Cape San Blas. Looks like the circulation center may have actually indeed moved farther east since 4 p.m. when it was reported south of Panama City. Maybe now heading inland as you go on down towards Mexico Beach. And you notice this spiral band of showers and thunderstorms. Very heavy rain has occurred around Apalachicola. In fact, at the Weather Service office, over 6 inches since midnight. That report came in about, I think an hour and a half ago, and we may have seen more rain since then. But look at Panama City. From that point west, northerly wind coming in behind the circulation center now. So that basically means that tides may actually run a little bit below normal as we head into the overnight hours. Certainly as you go west to Destin, with that northerly circulation behind the storm center, things a lot quieter than they are here in the east, where the heavy rain threat continues and the possibility of some problems with coastal flooding. Officially, from Fort Walton Beach down to Yankeetown, that's where the tropical storm warning is in effect. This is where we think the heaviest rain will occur through 7 p.m. tomorrow. Again, very slow movement on the tropical storm is one of the key factors here in providing excessive rainfall totals. A storm surge of 3 to 5 feet, especially as you head east of Apalachicola, down the coast, past Levy County here towards Yankeetown. So again, a storm surge of 3 to 5 feet.